Jim Johnson Jr. Orlando, Florida. December 11, 2013. He owned multiple development properties and a trucking company and was working on opening an investment firm. However, this would all be cut short by a swift disappearance. Before his family had time to process that Jim had been taken suddenly one morning, a shooting occurred on his property, followed by a break into his condo, and his car was found abandoned. His body would be found 4 days later, leaving more questions than answers for his family. On the morning of December 6, 2013, Jim visited Ghouli's barber shop. The owner of the shop said that Jim was a regular and that he had not noticed anything unusual that morning. It was sometime after this visit that he disappeared. Rumors among the community were that Jim was abducted in broad daylight and placed into the trunk of someone's car. His girlfriend tipped police that he may have been shot and kidnapped. Jim's car, a white 2012 Cadillac CTS, was located 2 days later outside of an apartment complex near Hiwassee Road and Colonial Drive, where his girlfriend lived. Despite efforts to locate him, Jim's body is found 4 days after he went missing in a wooded area of Daytona Beach. He had been stripped down to his underwear in an abandoned wooded area. His wounds were not fatal enough alone to cause death. The investigation was complex from the jump. Most notably, the investigation involved multiple jurisdictions and 3 counties. He was last seen in Orange County, Florida. He had a home in Lake County, and his body was found in Volusia County. In the days in between his alleged kidnapping and the discovery of his body, suspicious activity surrounded his property. Law enforcement reported that Jim's door was heavily fortified. His girlfriend attempted to break into one of Mr. Johnson's properties in the early morning hours, claiming she had forgotten a garage code. Curiously, on the day of his disappearance, unknown assailants attacked Mr. Johnson's roommate and shot him in the leg. Complicating matters even further, all residents of Mr. Johnson's property were charged with cocaine possession and distribution. To date, there have been no arrests made in this multifaceted case. If you know anything about the murder of Jim Johnson Jr., please contact Mr. Jimmy Flint, Cold Case Detective for Volusia County at 386-451-6807.